only does Geon have a full line of paint protection film, we also have a dedicated range of products for PPF maintenance, washing, and install. Installing PPF is challenging, but the right products can make a big difference in both efficiency and results. Because of this, Geon has created a line of paint protection film installation products that streamline your workflow and elevate your results. This will make your PPF installs go as smooth as possible. Introducing Geon PPF Slip, a highly concentrated slip solution to make your paint protection film installs effortless and efficient. With the ability to dilute it up to 1 to 100, it's also a very economical product. If you want a simple breakdown of what all it does, just take a look at the benefit icons located on its label. Regional conditions like temperature and humidity can affect the results when working with PPF, so take that into account when finding your optimal dilution ratio. Tired of seeing lift lines in your installs? This might be your new secret weapon. Introducing Geon PPF Lift, a dedicated paint protection film repositioning fluid, designed to help lift and reset film pieces safely without disturbing the adhesive, causing lift lines or creating silvering. This is a must-have product for complex areas like mirror caps and tight corners, since it offers more tack than a normal slip solution. If you want a simple breakdown of what PPF Lift is about, just read the benefit icons located on its label. Like with PPF Slip, local conditions like temperature and humidity can affect the results when working with PPF, so take that into account when finding your optimal dilution ratio. All of the PPF accessories you need in one package. Introducing the Geon PPF Installer Kit, an all-inclusive kit that supplies gloves, squeegees, and cutters for your film install needs. As you master your craft, the details matter, especially when it comes to your application tools. So in order to get immaculate results and perfect edges, you can reach for the best tools available.